Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Perplexity AI account. So all you have to do is just simple open up your browser and simple type in Perplexity. You want to head over, you want to search for this and you want to go to this website here. Or alternatively, you could just simple type in perplexity.ai and you will head over to their official website. Now, to create an account is super easy. If you are already signed in with your Gmail account in Google, you will see on the upper right that you will most likely receive a pop-up in Chrome that says continue with that, right? And you can easily go ahead and continue with your Gmail account. Alternatively, if you don't do that, you can easily go ahead and you will see the pop-up on the lower right, regardless, that says you can continue with your Apple, you can sign in, you can sign up, you can just do that and you'll be able to select your email address and easily create an account. Just go ahead and continue. And that's all that you really have to do to create an account. Here you will see it shows you the three plans. You can get started with the free one, so you can continue there. It will ask you to enter your phone number just to verify. So I'm going to go ahead and just quickly find my country code here, enter my phone number. Then you will choose the option text me a link or something like that. And as you can see right now, we have an account. So this is my Perplexity account, guys, and that's all there is to it. So if you want to create an account, this is as easy as that. You sign in with your Gmail address and you can easily create an account. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.